welcome back to Celebrities in History. Today, we're diving into 20 mind-blowing, weird, and wonderful celebrity events that happened on November 9th throughout history. From iconic birthdays to unforgettable moments, prepare to be amazed by the stars who share this special date. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this incredible journey. Number 20. On November 9th, 1914, Hedy Lamarr was born. The Hollywood actress and inventor died at 85, but not before co-inventing frequency-hopping technology, the foundation of Wi-Fi. Beauty and brains? She was the original double threat. Number 19. Carl Sagan, born November 9th, 1934, was an astronomer who died at 62. He brought the cosmos to our living rooms with Cosmos: A Personal Voyage. Talk about a star among stars. Number 18. On November 9th, 1951, Lou Ferrigno was born. Turning 73 in 2024, the original Incredible Hulk still has muscles that could make even Thor jealous. Don't make him angry. You wouldn't like him when he's angry. Number 17. Nick Lachey, born November 9th, 1973, will be 51 in 2024. The 98 Degrees singer and TV personality is still heating things up. Is it getting hot in here, or is it just him? Number 16. On November 9th, 1978, Cisco was born. Turning 46 in 2024, the thong song singer proves that some hits never get old. He's been unleashing the dragon for decades. Number 15. Delta Goodrem, born November 9th, 1984, will be 40 in 2024. The Australian singer and actress has been hitting high notes since her teens. Looks like turning 40 will be her next big hit. Number 14. On November 9th, 1984, French Montana was born. Turning 40 in 2024, the rapper has been climbing charts and keeping it unforgettable, from Morocco to the top of the hip-hop world. Number 13. Annalay Tipton, born November 9th, 1988, will be 36 in 2024. The model-turned-actress from Crazy Stupid Love proves that America's next top model can lead to Hollywood stardom. Number 12. On November 9th, 1979, Corey Hardrict was born. Turning 45 in 2024, the actor has appeared in films like American Sniper. He's got the talent and the looks, a double win. Number 11. Eric Dane, born November 9th, 1972, will be 52 in 2024. Known as McSteamy from Grey's Anatomy, he's been steaming up screens for years. Paging Dr. Dreamy. Number 10. On November 9th, 1922, Dorothy Dandridge was born. She died at 42, but was the first African-American actress nominated for a Best Actress Oscar, a trailblazer who paved the way for many. Number 9. Bianca Gascoigne, born November 9th, 1986, will be 38 in 2024. The British model and TV personality keeps the glamour alive. She's more than just a pretty face. Number 8. On November 9th, 1961, Steve Purcell was born. Turning 63 in 2024, the cartoonist who created Sam and Max drew his way to success. Comedy and art, a perfect sketch. Number 7. Chris Jericho, born November 9th, 1970, will be 54 in 2024. The pro wrestler and rock singer is a man of many talents. He's been body slamming and headbanging his way through life. Number 6. On November 9th, 1980, Vanessa Lachey was born. Turning 44 in 2024, the TV host and actress is not just Nick Lachey's better half, but a star in her own right. Number 5. Nikki Blonsky, born November 9th, 1988, will be 36 in 2024. The Hairspray star showed us you can't stop the beat or her talent. She's dancing through life with flair. Number 4. On November 9th, 1955, Karen Dautrice was born. Turning 69 in 2024, she played Jane Banks in Mary Poppins. A spoonful of nostalgia helps the memories go down. Number 3. On November 9th, 1996, Evander Holyfield defeated Mike Tyson to regain the WBA heavyweight boxing title. It was a knockout event that shook the sports world. Talk about a punchline. Number 2. On November 9th, 1967, the first issue of Rolling Stone magazine was published. Featuring John Lennon on the cover, it became the Bible of music culture. Rock and roll was never the same. Number 1. On November 9th, 1966, John Lennon met Yoko Ono for the first time at an art gallery in London. This meeting changed music history and the Beatles forever. All you need is love, and maybe some avant-garde art. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through November 9th's celebrity milestones. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this trip through time, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Celebrities in History for more astonishing tales. Stay curious, because history is full of surprises.